Jesse Livermore was an early 20th century speculator. He became famous for making and losing enormous fortunes trading stocks. At his peak, he was extraordinarily wealthy and lived an extravagant lifestyle. His ideas were later preserved and popularized through Edwin Lefever's 1923 book Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, a fictionalized account heavily based on Livermore. A lot of Livermore's principles are still recognizable to this day: trend following, breakouts, price and volume, market psychology, cutting losing trades quickly, and letting winning positions run. The rise of Jesse Livermore led to the rise of Richard Wyckoff. Wyckoff built an education and publishing business around teaching people how to trade. Basically, he was the first notable trading guru in history. He founded the Magazine of Wall Street and later developed educational materials and correspondence-style instructions for traders. His approach focused heavily on price action, volume, supply and demand, accumulation and distribution, market operators' behavior, and technical chart analysis. His work eventually became known as the Wyckoff Method, which is still taught today. Wyckoff made more money from his trading business than he actually did from trading itself. In the 2000s, one of the most influential individuals who built a similar business was Timothy Sykes. Sykes was known for teaching penny stock momentum, short selling, technical patterns, trading psychology, risk management, and identifying pump and dump behavior. Almost 2 decades later, everyone who lives in Miami or a third world country is a day trader. Then you have me, who's about to do something extremely dumb. So I'm about to start day trading just to prove that day trading is pointless. And I'm not saying that so I can fail and then be like, yeah, I told you I was right, just to avoid embarrassment. I genuinely think day trading is pointless, and I'm probably going to end up with the same miserable results as most of you guys who teach trading for a living. But if I happen to do well at this, then I need to rent a suit and pose in front of a Ferrari. I know a few of you guys are dumb enough to buy my course. Anyway, I opened a demo account. Yeah, like I'm going to risk becoming homeless just to entertain you. It's a standard account with a leverage of 1:100, and my strategy is top secret, so don't tell anyone. I'll be using moving averages. I'll identify the trend on large timeframes for structure and find entries on smaller timeframes. I'll focus on one currency pair for now. I chose currencies because newbie traders usually trade Forex. While you were listening to me talk, I actually placed my first trade. I sold Euro USD after a crossover on M30 and another crossover on M5. By the way, my trading strategy is going to be extremely aggressive. Let's be honest, risk management is a myth on Wall Street bets.